Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up the bus. I'm going to start on the inside, then move on to the outside. This is going to be part 1 because there's a lot more cleaning that needs to be done to it. Let's get started on the interior. Alright, I'm going to start by vacuuming the floor. Now I'm going to vacuum around the seat. The first step to cleaning the outside of the bus was spraying it with the hose. That worked pretty well to get some of the gray stuff off and made the bus look a bit better. Sometime in the future, I'm going to take a pressure washer to the entire bus to clean it up even more. So cleaning up this engine compartment is pretty important. If I want to get this bus running, I'm going to have to make sure it's clear, and right now there's a lot of acorns and mouse nests in here. So I'm going to use the shop vac and try to clean it up so that I can get it running soon. Well, that turns way better than it did before. I guess now I can start trying to get it running. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to keep up to date with my Volkswagen projects and tutorials. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.